Yet another service call, number 4. And a 6 flash. Well, I think we're just going to change the circuit board. I've got 4 other service calls after this, so no time to really screw around. A little bit of time to screw around, but not a whole lot of time. Okay. I tried this circuit board the other day and it didn't come up, so I wrote test on it. So this is like my next test for it. Doesn't work now. It's going out the door. Could just be the pilot lights out. That is the final test. This guy. Wonderful. Sayonara, my friend. There we go. 1 down, 4 more to go. Alright. 1 service call got canceled. Guy just relit his own water heater. Now we're on to this one. Let's see what's up. What's going on, Dave?
Hey. I don't know. This is might get to be a habit with these particular heaters.
Oh, I hope not.
Anyway, I'm gonna drain some of it. I'll get the pressure off of it. It's still working. It's working right now. I mean,
Oh,
I just turned it off. See how it's coming out?
It's still coming out of there, huh?
Yeah, it's still coming out. It's coming out of the.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But anyway, I want to drain.
Yeah.
Because it's hot.
The water's hot?
Yeah. I mean, it's working right now. They were just using it.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good.
Which is good. It's a good sign that it's working.
Yeah,
I just checked another one that I sold to a guy a year ago.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just gonna bring him one next, Friday when I come back.
All right.
But there's gonna be a lot of service calls, man.
Shit.
Good money. But see, I don't worry. Once I've got inventory, then I don't care about the ones calling me. All I do, okay, I just give them another heater. Fuck it, yeah.
Yeah.
But when I don't have any heaters, man, that's
Yeah.
I sold them all to you.
Yeah. Well, you can go get some more though.
Well, I needed. Yeah, I'm gonna get more. I already called the guy. The guy called me. Says he's got 25 ready up there already.
Oh, cool.
They're only taking 5 a day out
Oh, okay.
because there's only one or two guys working. They got so much work, you don't have a lot of plumbers. So.
Yeah, yeah. So
Which is good. I'm glad.
That's good. Yeah. Then you don't have to drive up there every day.
Yeah.
And store them and all the rest of it. Right. So we're gonna run the drain line from the temperature pressure down and tie into that right there.
Package and keep the receipt and take it back. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. You're just constantly going through them.
Yeah, I'm using so many. I'm tired of paying $23.
Yeah.
So I just take the old one back, and you know, I know the guy, and he said, okay, well, no problem.
Yeah.
So that way I don't have to.
Mm-hmm.
I'm always.
You always got a new one.
Yeah, I always got a new one.
You bought one once, but you
'Cause
got
I like
50
to.
of them.
I just automatically like to take the old ones out
Yeah.
and just put in the new one. Save so much time.
Yeah, I know, dude. I know, man. I'm with you on that. I
You
mean,
don't need this.
you can't go wrong. Maybe. Yeah, you want to throw it in the bucket there. I'll just leave it if I don't need it. Man, that's an ugly weld. That is an ugly weld, but it pays the bills. There's another ugly one. All right. Yeah, we're just gonna put the ducting back in.